They are going to give you a picture, and they're going to ask you to find slope. So think of this as like your water slide. All right? So you're coming down on your water slide, and what did I draw on that big first drop on the front page?
The rise and run.
The rise and run, right? So we drew a triangle. So if you want to, you can draw just a triangle from point to point, okay? And we talked about that it's rise over run, okay? Well, rise. How far up are we?
4. 3.
Should be saying 2, right? Rise. How far up? So we count 2 spots, like 1, 2. I mean, that's literally all we're doing. 1, 2. Okay? How far across are we going here?
Oh, I'm going to count that little
5.
Okay? Yeah, 5. Count 5. You just count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes.
I was just saying because it's like a little triangle.
Okay? So 2 and 5. Okay? So now rise. What's your rise number? 2. What's your run number? So the slope here is 2/5. Okay?
Can you do that?
Yeah.
I'll do another.
Yeah, we'll do another one. Okay, just a second. All right? So does everybody kind of understand there? Now, would it matter if I drew a triangle up here? Let's say if I just drew a triangle top. Would that matter? No. So if I start, just pick a point and start. So how many did you go up? Okay, go over, up 2. And then how many are we going over? 5. Again, rise over run. Okay, rise over run. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at another one here. Okay, so I'm going to go from point to point. I'm going to draw mine on top. I actually normally draw them up on top. Okay? So if I go here, how many up am I going? 2. Now, how many am I running across here?
6.
Okay, 6. But be careful. Are we running to the positive or the negatives?
Negative 6.
Okay, so it would be -6 because you're going towards the negatives.
So then,
Okay, so
What's that?
pick a start point, Ashley. Pick a start point. I see your face. Okay?
Well, I picked that one.
Okay,
And
so
I went
then,
down.
so if you go down, what would that be? Negative, right?
how come the other one that we did?
Because it was all positive. All right, so if you're going to go down in this way, you're going to go down 2, and then you're going to the +6, right? So you got to pay attention up and down. Okay, so either way, you've got a negative somewhere in the problem. Doesn't matter which number it's on.
So how do you know if it's negative if it's going across the x-axis?
If you're going towards the positive, it's positive. You're going towards the negative, it's negative.
Oh, on the okay.
Does that make sense? So on the number line. Okay, so now what's your rise value?
2.
Okay, 2, and then run.
6.
-6. Okay, would it really matter? Does it matter if I say -2 and a +6? No, because what are they both going to reduce to?
Negative. Oh, no, 1/3.
-1/3. So your slope here would be -1/3. Okay?
So, if you know, like, when it's negative, is it when the slope's going, like, diagonal to the left?
Look, if you're thinking about a person walking, okay, so here we go. So if you think about this person walking, they're always going to walk to the right, okay? So because we read things from left to right. So if I'm looking here, are we going downhill or uphill?
Downhill.
Downhill is negative. So if I come back over here and I draw a little person, right, always walking to the right, well, what's happening here? He's going uphill, okay? Now, a way to remember this, okay, and you might want to draw this off to the side somewhere. Positive slope, negative slope. These are my eyes. Okay? We're going to put little eyebrows above it. Okay? Then we're going to put a nose in. So we're going to put a line down, and I'm going to put a U on the bottom of that to make it look like a nose. Okay? And then I'm going to draw a line across, and I'm going to put zeros on either side for like little dimples. Okay? So when I look at my person here, here's my person. Okay? If your line is going up towards the positives, that's a positive slope. If your line is going up towards the negatives, it's a negative slope. If your line is up and down, remember we talked about the wall being up and down? If it's up and down, it's an undefined slope. It's a U, undefined. If it's a horizontal line, like I was walking across the floor earlier today, okay? Horizontal line, those are zero slope. Okay? You can draw this is just a way to remember it. Okay? Just make sure you always start with the positive. Okay? Yep.
For that one, when you go down 2 and across 5, would that be -5? Oh no, it wouldn't, because it's not on the x-axis.
Okay, so like on this one, I'm technically going down 2, and then since I'm heading this way towards the negative, it's -5. And negative is a? So you get positive no matter what.
Well, I'm just
Okay? Yes.
So you always start from the bottom, like with the little person that you do? You always start from the bottom of the slope?
You always go
to
left
up.
to right, yeah. Okay, so I don't care how you remember a little person, you draw a picture, I don't care remember, you guys gotta know it.
So it always has to go up. that's how you know 86
If he's walking uphill, it's up, right? If he's walking downhill, it's down. He's going downhill, right? He's walking downhill, negative.
Oh, why didn't it go up though?
Because he's got to walk to the right, sweetie.
Oh, yeah.
Left to right, okay? Again, guys, I think
Okay.
it's much, you can try to memorize all
Left
this
to
stuff.
right.
At the end of the day, you just need to make a triangle and then pay attention to your numbers. I don't care what triangle you make, okay? I'm going make a start point. Mark one if you've got to. I'm going up 2. I'm going towards the negatives, right? So -6, okay? I mean, you just need to be able to count and understand if you're going to the right, it's positive, going left, negative. Or up and down, positive and negative, okay? All right, so now if we come down to this guy right here, okay? What kind of slope is this guy?
Oh, horizontal.
No, that's a line. I didn't ask for what kind of line. I said what kind of slope.
Zero.
Zero slope. I mean, we just talked about it. A horizontal line has what kind of slope? Zero slope. So you have a slope of 0. You will need to know that. That's just something you should know. When you see horizontal, 0 is what it is. Okay? There's no mathy stuff here. You should just know that. Okay, now, if you really want to go from point to point, obviously we can't make a triangle here, right? So if I'm thinking about rise over run, are you rising and going up and down anywhere?
No.
No. So you rise, nothing, and then we run across, how many?
5.
We run across 5. So 0 divided by 5 is 0. Okay? Or you can just know horizontal lines are 0, which is easier.
No.
Okay.
Zero.
Huh?
No.
All right, so now we come to this guy. Okay, so we come to this guy right here. Okay, what kind of line, or what kind of slope, sorry, does a vertical line have? Undefined, and again, you can use this person to help remind you, so up and down is undefined. So this is an undefined slope. Okay? If you want to think about it in terms of, I can't make a triangle, okay, and we're thinking about rise over run, how many do you rise here?
3.
Okay, we rise 3, right? So I rise 3. How many are you running from side to side? 0. Can you divide by nothing?
No.
No. Okay? No, it's not 0. It's undefined. 0 and undefined are not the same. Okay? It's not 0. 3 divided by 0, put in your calculator. You will not get an answer out. It'll say math error, undefined, or something like that. Okay? So if you try to take 3 divided by 0 in your calculator right now, you get a math error. Because you can't take something and divide it into nothing. So if I have 3 pieces of candy, and it's sitting on a desk, and there's nobody there to get it, who's got the candy? Nobody. Nobody's got it. Can't be done. Okay? You have to have somebody to give it to. Okay? Yep.
But what if you were like sitting there and you didn't give it to anybody? Like,
Then it's yours, technically, because you're one person sitting there.
So shouldn't it be 3? No.
3 divided by 1 would be 3, sweetie. 3 divided by 0 is not the same thing. Okay? Alright, there's no people. What I'm saying is there's 3 pieces of candy and nobody's in the room. Who gets the candy? Nobody. There's nobody there. You can't, the candy, you just can't sit
I
there.
thought it would be 3 because you could still have 3 pieces of candy.
No, you're killing me. You're killing me. No, it's how many people, who got how much. Alright, so now let's just take a look at, okay, here's 2 coordinate points and they say find slope, go. Okay, you don't have a picture, you don't have anything, okay? So what you're going to do is just use your formula. x1, y1, right? x2, y2, just what we did on the first problem, okay? Subtract your y's. Again, does it actually matter which one we start with? No, it doesn't, okay? So you guys want to start with 0 or -2? Okay, so I'm going to say 0 minus, right? Because it's y1 minus y2, all right? So we're subtracting the middle. So 0 minus -2. Does that make sense? Okay, now if I start with 0, what am I starting with here on the bottom? So if I start with 0, what are we starting with on the bottom? -1, okay? So again, just subtract your y's. 0 minus -2, and then -1 minus 3.